Right after signing up, you'll already have your own online store set up for you. If you click the Preview button, you'll see your store open in a new tab. While you're setting things up, you might want to keep your store private. So let's see how to protect it with a password. To do that, go back to the admin. Open Online Store. Then choose Settings. Find the section called Password Protected near the top of the page. Check the option Protect Online Store with Password. Then, type in the password you'd like to use to access your store. When you're done, click Save at the top right corner. Now, when you open your store again and refresh the page, you'll see that it's protected. Visitors will need to enter the password before they can view it. Click Log into the store, enter your password, and confirm. And there you go, your store opens again. Adding a password lets you work on your store in peace and make updates at your own pace before sharing it with the world.